We should just whip her and boil it. A homeless guy was traveling someplace.
My name is Dr. Gill, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the nature of all things. Walk with me. As you can see, nature is full of magnificent things, such as this flower.
Why would I do such a thing? I was like, because I told you to.
Well,
that's something
it's beautiful
I'd say.
in this anyway. And as you can see,
That ain't me.
it all begins with the sun.
Oh yeah.
Without the sun,
You're lying.
this earth would be nothing.
5 seconds.
It'd be nothing but rock. Can we smoke this? Oh.
Hi, I'm David Suzuki. I'm here to tell you about the nature of things. The sun gives us energy, and the grass, everything is connected to a cycle. And well, the grass produces oxygen. So such. And well, anyways, we have a special guest today, and I give her a hand for how do you say that word?
Hi, I'm the new and improved David Suzuki. And here I'm talking. Oh, hello, Zabuma Foo. This is my pet monkey, Zabuma Foo. Now, he's very. Oops. He needs his brand new middle-aged crazy pills. Only $1 in the shops. I recommend them. They're good for the environment. As you see. He's very good. Okay, I'm sorry about the incident earlier with the bazooka food. I'm going to change the shape today, so if you'd like to follow me. Now look at this. This is a bad example of environmental stuff. There's stuff like...
No, that doesn't. Kids, did you know that sharks are an extraordinary species? And there's only 4,500 of them left in the world? That's a pretty small population. They come in many forms and many shapes and sizes. They're so beautiful and extraordinary. Jesus! Jesus! Oh!
They fell.
Okay. No, Chris.
Let's do it.
No. If you do it, I'll probably fall. If I fall, I'll probably cry. Yeah. I'm gonna do it. Holy shit. Okay, I'm gonna go back now. Jeff, you could probably do this, right?
Probably.
Do it.
What you gotta do to me?
I'll rape you.
Throw off in the water. I'll give the monkey too.
That's a pretty nice car though.
Ford GT.
And he's signaling the wrong way. Oh wait, no, never mind.
Whoa! My brother's gonna kill me! Why are you gonna act it out?
Dude, come on! Come on!
What? Is that right?
Why isn't that sticking?
Hold that.
Try that again. Alright. Just wait, go back to your place. I'll tell you when I can.
Turn the lights off first.
No, let's do it how it was originally. Where Colton was like, right there, we just want to see Colton, that's it. In his chair and stuff.
Yeah, because Colton's so awesome.
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, we're recording. Like that?
Yeah.
Like that?
Great. Okay.
Okay, fine.